need, a company had access to millions of customer records, but they didn't understand their data. So within months, they collapsed. Basically, this one line tells us a powerful truth. Having data is not enough unless you know how to use it. Now here's the reality check. Peter Sondergaard, former senior vice president at Gartner's, once said, information is the oil of 21st century and analytics is the combustion engine. Meaning data by itself has no value, number alone don't create impact, but insight does. Looking at today's world, every major decision we see, from business strategies to product recommendation, is driven by data analytics. Moving ahead, companies that understand data grow faster, make smarter decisions, and stay ahead of competition, while those who ignore analytics are left behind. Recognizing this growing need, SkillUp by Simplilearn offers a free data analyst course with certificate, Introduction to Data Analytics. So this is a beginner level course which is designed for students, freshers, working professionals, business analysts, data analysts, analytics managers, mid-level managers, CXOs and senior leaders who want to understand how data drives modern decision making. So what this course includes is 3 hours of self-paced video lesson, 90 days of access so you can learn at your own convenience, completion certificate to showcase on LinkedIn and to your resume. A structured, beginner-friendly learning path. This program doesn't overwhelm you with technical jargon. Instead, it builds your understanding step by step, ensuring clarity even if you come from a non-technical background. So what you will learn in the course is getting started with analytics. You begin with a clear introduction to what is data analytics, why it matters, and how it influences business outcomes. The focus is on real-world understanding rather than just abstract definitions. The 4 types of analytics. You will learn the difference between descriptive analytics, what happened, diagnostic analytics, why did it happen, predictive analytics, what is likely to happen, and prescriptive analytics, what should we do next. So understanding these 4 layers gives you a complete picture of how businesses move from insights to foresights. Then working with different type of data. You will explore structured databases, semi-structured logs, and unstructured text data. This is crucial because real-world data is really clean or perfectly formatted. Data visualization for decision making. Visualization is more than creating charts, it's about communication. You will learn techniques such as frequency distribution plots, SOM plots, other effective visualization method. These tools help you transform complex data set into insight that executives and stakeholders can quickly understand. Then we have data science, machine learning and analytics. Course explain how data analytics fits within the broader ecosystem of data science and machine learning. You won't just understand isolated concepts, you will understand the bigger picture. Then data science methodology. You will be introduced to structured approaches for solving business problems using data, including steps like data collection, cleaning, transformation, modeling, and interpretation. Then we have analytics framework and industry application. The course explores analytics adoption framework and demonstrate how organizations across finance, healthcare, retail, and technology integrate analytics into their strategies. You will understand how companies reduce cost, improve efficiency, and drive growth using data-backed decisions. And finally, we have emerging trend. You will also examine how AI and emerging technologies are reshaping the analytics landscape, preparing you for the future of data-driven work. So why learning data analytics matters? The global data analytics market is growing rapidly with strong projection in the coming years and a high compound annual rate. This growth translates directly into career opportunities. Career path after completion is data analyst, business analyst, analytic manager. You can also transition into data science and data architect role. So in India, data analysts enjoy competitive salary ranges with significant growth potential as experiences increases. Internationally, the demand is even stronger. Now the key benefit of completing this course is learn to extract value from any data type. You will develop the ability to present insight clearly and confidently, understand analytics framework used by real organization, and build a foundation for advanced analytics and AI learning. Plus, you will also gain a recognized certification to strengthen your professional profile. By the end of this course, you won't just understand analytics conceptually, you will think like an analyst. You will know how to approach business problems systematically, interpret data confidently, and present insight that influences decision. So in a world generating 2.5 quintillion bytes of data every day, the real advantage belongs to those who can make sense of it. So this free data analytics certification is not just a course, it's your starting point towards becoming someone who turns information into impact. So that is all for this video. Thank you and see you in the next video.